Most people get this wrong when they start building credit from zero. They think they need loans, high income, or years of history before anything works. That is not true. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can start building credit from scratch in 2026 with simple tools, even if you have never borrowed $1 before. In this video, you will learn exactly how to go from zero credit to a real credit score using a clear step-by-step system that actually works. Let's start with the basics. Credit is just a record of how responsibly you use borrowed money. No credit history means lenders have no data about you. So your goal is to create that first data trail. Now here's where most people fail. They apply for random credit cards and get rejected. That slows them down and hurts confidence. Instead, you start with beginner-friendly credit tools. The first step is a secured credit card. One example is the Discover It Secured credit card. You deposit a small amount, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your credit limit. Now, imagine this. Jake is 22, just moved to a new city, and has no credit history. He opens a secured card, uses it for small expenses like fuel and groceries, and pays it off every month. After about 30 to 60 days, his activity starts showing up in credit reports. But here's the problem. Many beginners think opening the card is enough. It is not. Usage matters just as much as ownership. Now let's move to the second step. You need consistent payment history. That means paying your bill on time every single month. Even one missed payment can slow progress significantly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Credit scoring systems care a lot about something called utilization. That is how much of your credit limit you use. If your limit is $300, try not to use more than $90 at a time. This shows lenders that you are not dependent on credit. The third step is time. This is the part most people underestimate. Credit is not built in days. It builds in months. Within 3 to 6 months, you may start seeing a real credit score appear if everything is reported correctly. In 6 to 12 months, you can qualify for better cards or even small loans. But consistency is the real shortcut. Now, let's add another layer. Once you build a small history, you can upgrade to better credit products or get a credit limit increase. That improves your overall profile even more. To keep it simple, here is the full system. Start with a secured card. Use it lightly. Pay on time. Keep balances low. Repeat this for months. That is how credit is actually built from zero. No tricks, no hacks, just structure and consistency. If you follow this process, you are no longer invisible to lenders. You become a trusted borrower with a real financial identity. To wrap up, building credit from scratch is simple, but not instant. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do its job. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more clear financial guides like this.